Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert and delete row, column, cell in an Excel sheet. Let's start to insert a row in an Excel sheet. First, select the entire row below where you want to insert the new row. If you want to insert a row between rows 4 and 5, select row 5. Right-click on the selected row and choose Insert from the context menu. Alternatively, you can also go to the Home tab, locate the Cells group, click the arrow below to Insert button image, then click on Insert Sheet Rows. A new row is inserted above the selected row. How to insert multiple rows? Select the same number of adjacent rows as the number of rows you want to insert. To select multiple rows, click and drag your mouse cursor over the row numbers on the left side of the worksheet. If you want to insert 3 rows between rows 6 and 7, then click on row 7 and drag your mouse cursor over the row 7, 8 and 9. Right-click on any of the selected rows and choose Insert from the context menu. 3 new rows created. In the same way, we can insert column also. For delete a row, first select the entire row, then right-click on the selected row and choose Delete from the context menu. Click anywhere in the column to the right of where you want to insert the new column. For example, if you want to insert a column between columns C and D, click anywhere in the column D. Now press Ctrl and spacebar to select the entire column. Next, press Ctrl Shift and plus. A new column inserted. Every time you press Ctrl Shift and plus, a new column will be created. If I want to delete a column, then click anywhere in the column, then press Ctrl plus spacebar to select the column. Then press Ctrl and minus. For insert new rows using keyboard, click anywhere below in the below where you want to insert the new row. Then press Shift plus spacebar to select entire row. Then press Ctrl Shift and plus. A new row inserted. For delete a row, first select the row, then press Ctrl and minus. The selected row deleted. If you want to insert cells in Excel sheet, then select a range of cells you want to insert. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Insert from the context menu. Insert dialog box appears. If you would like to insert cells in the row, then select Shift Cells Right. This will move existing cells to right to make space for the new cells. If you would like to insert cells in a column, then select Shift Cells Down. This will move existing cells below to make space for the new cells. Alternatively, you can also go to the Home tab, click on the Insert drop-down button in the Cells group and select Insert Cells. To hide a row in Excel, first select the entire row by clicking on the row number. Then right-click on the selected row and choose Hide from the context menu. Alternatively, you can go to the Home tab, locate the Sales group, and then click on the Format button. Then within Hide and Unhide, click on Hide Rows. You can see the fifth row no longer appears. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl and 9 keyboard shortcut to hide the selected row. You can use the same method for hide columns also. To hide a selected column, use Ctrl and 0 keyboard shortcut. Anyone who has access to the spreadsheet can unhide the hidden rows. To unhide the hidden row, select the rows before and after the hidden rows to ensure that the hidden row will be unhidden within the selected range. Then right-click on the selected row and choose Unhide from the context menu. We can protect our sensitive data by hiding rows or columns and then setting a password on the sheet so that no one can unhide them to see without the password. I will discuss that when I discuss the Excel sheet. That's all for today. Thank you. For more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.